Learn with Yogesh Sir.
Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Yogesh Sir, and you are watching class 3 The World Around Us textbook Our Wondrous World, and this is the chapter 4 explanation video. As the chapter name you can see here, getting to know plants. So obviously in this chapter we will learn about plants, different type of plants, the parts of plant, what are the importance of plants. So we will know all these things. So let's start our explorer's journey. So what we will learn today: meet the plants, detective fun, and how do plants works. So here you can see some children are going on a nature walk. They are going to school, and on their way they are talking about plants. They, as you can see in the picture, there are different type of plants. Some are tall, some are small, some are climbing on other plants, other trees. So the girl is saying some plants are tiny, some are huge and bushy. The boy is saying some are tall and straight while other are thin and curvy. So meet the giant tree. Definition: trees are big, tall and very strong. They have thick, hard, woody trunks. These are the example of trees: mango tree, coconut tree, banyan and peepal tree, jackfruit tree. Can you observe Raj's special jamun tree? How does a yummy jamun grow? So this is the steps how jamun grow. From tiny white flowers appear first, then they turn into green fruits. That green fruit then turned into red, and finally they become ripe, juicy purple jamuns. And I hope, I believe that all of you love to eat jamun. So next is medium and bushy shrubs. So definition: shrubs are medium sized plant. They look very bushy because they have many woody stems growing close to the ground. You can see here in the picture, close to the ground, they many stems are coming out, and these are the example of shrubs like rose plant, tulsi, hibiscus, curly leaf plant. Next is herbs: small, soft and green. Herbs are small plants. Unlike trees and shrubs, their stems are very soft and green. Okay, and the example of herbs are tomato plant, mint, it means pudina, coriander, it means dhania, and grasses. Next is climbers and creeper. Most of the students think climbers and creepers are same. They are almost same, but there is a minor difference between these two. And what is this difference? Coming to climber first, they need support like a stick or wall to stand up and climb, like money plant, pea plant. Okay, and on the other hand, creepers, they grow and spread along the ground because their fruit is too heavy. Why they grow along the ground? Why they not climb on any other sport? Because their fruits are too heavy to handle. So the example is pumpkin, watermelon. So this is an activity, plant detective task one, smelling leaves. So what do you have to do in this? You have to collect different type of leaf, you have to smell them, you have to touch them, you have to feel their texture. We have done this activity when I took you to the kitchen garden. You collected the leaves and pasted the leaves in your notebook. Did you know Raj's brother cannot see, but he can immediately tell if there is a mango, pineapple or guava nearby just by their wonderful smell. Next activity is bark rubbing. What we have to do in this activity? What is a bark? First of all, it is the hard outer covering of a tree trunk. Look closely. Do you see any tiny insects living there? So these are the steps. First step is press a sheet of paper against the tree trunk, then gently rub a crayons over the paper, and finally look at the amazing pattern you captured. Can you guess a tree just by its bark? So you can write in comment. Next is parts of plant. There are different parts of plant, like we human having different plant. In the same way, plants also have parts. Okay, so starting from the roots. Roots is under the soil, in the ground. They are hidden under the soil. After roots, above this is stem that hold the plant up straight, and then leaf make food for plant. Leaf are very important for any plants because they provide food. Next is flower. The flowers are very beautiful. The smells are very good. All of you love flower. flower turns into the fruit, and fruit, all of you know that fruits are juicy, sweet, sour. Hold the seeds inside the fruit there is seed that grows into a brand new plant. Next is, how does the plant work? So how do the roots help? Roots hold the plant tightly in the soil and drink water for the plant. Next is, what does the stem do? The stem acts like a straw, like a pipe. It carries the water up to the leaves and hold the plant tall. These are some amazing facts about plant sweet. The sugar cane we eat comes from the stem of sugar cane plant. Actually, did you know bamboo is actually the tallest grass in the world? Yeah, this is true. Bamboo is actually a grass. Okay. And the third one is giant rafflesia that is found in Mizoram, is the biggest flower in the world. It is as big as an umbrella. This is very really interesting. Next is, what would happen if there were no plant? This is, if there is no plant, we would have no food to eat, because all of the food we get directly or indirectly, we are getting these from plants. We would have no clean air to breathe. All of you know that we are inhaling oxygen, and in the air oxygen is coming from the plants. With the help of their leaves, they do photosynthesis and produce oxygen and consume carbon dioxide. We are exhaling carbon dioxide, plants are taking carbon dioxide, using it and producing oxygen for us. Animals would have no homes and we would have no cold shade. So plant gives us life, we must protect them. So this is a quiz, a small quiz. A small plant with a soft green stem is called, obviously, herb. What is the hard outer covering of a tree called? We call it bark. What holds the plant firmly in the soil? So what is it? Roots. That's all for today video. This video is useful for you. Like, subscribe and share with your friend. Thank you. See you in the next video.